Hey guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your password in Metamask, whether you're using the Metamask browser extension or the mobile app. These instructions will guide you through the process step by step. To begin, open the Metamask extension if you're on your desktop browser or the mobile app if you're on your phone. Once you have Metamask open, you'll want to navigate to the menu options. If you're using the extension on your computer, look for the triple dash icon located in the upper right corner of your screen. This small yet pivotal icon is your gateway to further customization and settings within Metamask. Now, if you're working from the mobile app, simply glance towards the lower right part of your screen where the settings option is prominently displayed. Tapping on this will simultaneously bring you deeper into Metamask's functionality, opening the door for you to change your password. Once inside your settings, the next step is to locate the security and privacy option. This section houses a variety of important settings that help maintain and secure the integrity of your Metamask account. From here, you'll want to scroll downwards a bit until you spot the Change Password button. It's nestled there among the various security options, ready to empower you with new credentials. Upon clicking Change Password, you'll be met with a prompt asking for your current password. This acts as a safeguard to ensure that only you, the account holder, can make such changes. Carefully enter your present password. This is a crucial point in the process, as it's essential that you provide the correct current password to proceed smoothly.
Having successfully entered your current password, the next step is to decide on a new password. Remember, this choice is critical in maintaining the security of your account. It's always a good idea to pick a password that is both strong and memorable. Try to incorporate a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols to bolster the security. After deciding on your new password, you will need to enter it again to confirm, thus reinforcing the accuracy and ensuring no mistakes were made with your initial input. And there you have it. By completing these steps, you've not only changed your password, but also added an extra layer of security to your Metamask account. Don't forget that protecting your online assets begins with a strong, secure password. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful and that you're now more comfortable navigating the settings within Metamask. Thank you for tuning in, and until next time, keep your digital life secure.